Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another DIY project for you here on the trailer. Today we are going to be installing this, I don't know how you pronounce it, Vivo Home.
Vivo?
It is a tankless hot water heater.
Yay!
So we're gonna try to pipe in some hot water. This runs off propane, and it should only heat water as you use it. So our thoughts was we would mount it up here on the door, so when we're camping, we could just open the door up, have the line run over to the propane tank, and the exhaust would come up out of here and it'd be away from everything. And so we'll just have to pipe in some water lines to the 12-volt pump and back to the sprayer on the back. So we've already got a piece of masonite cut and painted that will be mounted to this door. Then we're going to mount this on top. But before we do that, we need to, here's the mounting brackets, top and bottom. We want to put another cross piece in here wherever that one falls, and that'll give us something to screw into. We're going to be mounting the top one to up here on the top rail of the door frame. So let's get at it. Alright guys, we're going to get a measurement from the top tab to the bottom tab, and it appears to be 15.5 inches. So we'll figure out where 15 inches brings. So let's say top one is going here, 15.5 inches to the bottom. It's going to be really close to that. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and take this pink insulation board out for now. We'll be putting it back here later before we put the masonite on. So close. I guess I can weld this up.
Hope, no. Hope.
Go ahead and cut this off a little bit. This should be all we need with the welder. And go ahead and kind of mark through.
Mm-hmm.
We should be good. Alright guys, here's our masonite that we painted black, and we have had a world of time trying to get this thing painted. Kept blowing away on us and getting grass and leaves and everything else stuck all over it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and put the fittings on the bottom of the tank here. We got what we have here is gas. We have water outlet and cold water in, hot water out. So they send you these little they give you one brass one and one plastic adapter from 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch pipe thread. So we're gonna end up replacing this one with a brass one like this. So this will be for this one here. Let's go ahead and put some thread tape on there. Teflon tape on that fitting. You probably won't be able to see that. Put some Teflon tape on all your connections here. If it doesn't have a rubber O-ring, some of them do. We're fixing to get wet. That thing threaded all the way down in there. I don't know if that's right. That thing went way down in there. That don't seem awful right to me. Is it you? Put some tape on there. I should have taped these up before I
Put it on there?
put it on there.
Yeah. That's gonna be a challenge.
Yeah, I probably should have put all the fittings and stuff on the bottom.
Prior to putting it on there.
Yes. Don't do like me. I always do everything the hard way.
Right? That's so everyone will see not to do it that way.
I don't know about this one. It don't tighten up against anything, it just threads past it. I don't know.
That's weird.
Like this is the brass fitting that they give you to put on there. that don't go down and tighten up. All right, guys, we're back. We got showered out. Had a little shower come through. And while it was raining, I went and looking for some plumbing fittings. And so I think I came up with a better way to plumb this up. So I got these little fittings here that I can clamp on to the flex that we're going to be running back to the pump and to the back of the trailer for the spray nozzle. And so this will fit right on the 1/2-inch pipe threading they got for the inlet. So this will go here. I went ahead and took the plastic one off, the reducer, or the I got that on backwards. Thought it looked funny. This 1/2 to 3/4 reducer. So I took the plastic one off. I'm gonna put the brass one over here, and we're gonna go ahead and put this on here. It's gonna be really tight for this hose here. Like, we got a garden hose we're gonna try to attempt to use. We don't know if it's gonna work yet. So what I'm gonna do, they make a 90, or they make a 90 and a 45. I'm thinking a 45 connection right here will bring it down, where it give me a little bit more room to connect to here for that garden hose. And this side over here, we're just going to have hot water going to the back of the trailer. So that way we can just select which one we want without having to unhook and hook another one up. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish getting that reducer tightened and get that splitter put on.
Not gonna work.
It's like these pipe fittings and stuff don't fit together very good. Oh no. Let me try to tighten this one up maybe. Let's see if it's gonna leak. So which way do you want me to run these hoses? If we run them up front, we got shovels and
right, we've got a lot of stuff in the way.
So if we come down and maybe run it here and across the back.
Yeah. Nope.
Oh my God. Go on to the pump and tighten that up. Well, guys, we're about this much too short. We thought we had a 20, it was a 20-foot roll, but obviously it ain't enough. Because we got to go all the way back around to feed the back sprayer. We got to connect into that right there. So we don't have enough. So I'm gonna have to get another roll of hose, but that won't stop us because we can still put a garden hose on it and see if it works from there. So let's continue. Turn that pump back on. Yeah. That's not good. Good job. Can't get in there to... Afraid I'm gonna twist that dude off.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it just... There's nothing for it to go up and tighten up on, like, you know, bottom out on. I don't know. Here's the shower hose they gave us. And it goes down. Go ahead and hook our gas line up and see if it'll light up. So the gas line, it's a 1/2-inch fitting also. It's not your typical 3/4 inch. It's not your typical 3/4 pipe flange. Alright, let me go get a bottle. Propane butter. Alright. Alright guys, got the gas hooked up. We put the batteries in and I thought that the little display here, temperature display, was going to come on with the battery, you know, put in, but it's not that way. It don't come on until you run water and it ignites itself. So as soon as the water runs, you can hear it kicks on, and that's 135 degrees right there. 138, 140, it just keeps going.
That summer, winter,
Yeah.
you need to turn it to...
I think I need to be on summer.
Maybe.
See, that's not bad right there. It's hot though.
Yeah, that's pretty hot.
It's going down here.
Yeah, 122 now. 120.
I don't know what a shower should be.
I would say...
It just keeps dropping.
Yeah, you want it to drop, Michael. I don't think you want it to be like 1,000,000 degrees. 113. Is there a lot of heat coming out of it?
Yeah.
Really?
Kind of surprising.
I was surprised. I figured there would be a lot of heat coming out of it.
Kind of surprising. I don't like
That thing
this.
does not turn off very well.
Yeah, it's
It's hard.
cheap. I like that though.
Yeah, that's really cool. I thought you would have to ignite it every time but it ignites itself.
Right. Yeah. It's the water pressure.
Right.
That'll be really nice after we get it figured out how to plumb it to that back one. And yeah, that'd be super nice. We'll have hot water back there all the time.
I know, that will be great.
And it's instant. I mean. Hey guys, that's going to be a wrap for this week's show. Come back next week and I'll give you an update on how I end up splitting the sprayer for the back door for the kitchen area and the shower. So y'all have a blessed week, and I thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next week's video. Bye.